When was the last time you dreamed? When you were a kid? Or was it when your best friend or your Uncle Charlie told you about a new, sure thing? Where did that get them? Where did that get you? Dreams don't work unless you do. Let's get real. The times they are a-changin'. Wasn't it a Dylan song? Jobs aren't what they're cracked up to be. What's your view from the desk or the loading dock? These tough times should have you worried about your job security, benefits, or the possibility of losing your position altogether. And Uncle Sam is taking a bit more out of that ever-shrinking paycheck every week. If your dream is to get out of debt, earn a secondary source of income, get out from under your boss, run your own business, and swap your 9-to-5 for your own schedule and a little thing called family time, now is the best time to take control. Tell me you really didn't think your boss was coming to help you before lunch today. Make a change and choose to live your life, not someone else's. Here's your wake-up call. You were born to be free, but not as an employee. Redefine yourself, your lifestyle, make your success. You may want to make $100 a week for gas or make a car payment. How about $500 a month to relieve the financial pressures of house payments or your kids' braces? Or reach success, total financial freedom. And that song is Money, 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 Money. $50,000 a month to live the life of your dreams. It's not happening with get-rich-quick gimmicks or investing in the hottest franchise. And by the way, did they tell you to bring your checkbook, banknotes, personal guarantees to the tune of $60,000 to start? And did they tell you to look for your first penny in about 3 years? What you do need is a will and a way to break out. Hey, if you can dream it, you can achieve it with a little thing called community commerce. Yeah, not that yellow community chest card from Monopoly. Not play money, real possibilities without the risk. Real cash, real reward. Really? Do I have your attention? No matter your experience, your age, your education, your title, your current situation, you can get a view of the hottest industry today, the $1.9 trillion health and wellness market. And now play the community commerce card. It's time. From blue collar to white collar, professionals to doctors of heart and mind, our rewarding business model is simple. Share the product, share the business, and help others do the same, and you get rewarded. If you do this, those pictures hanging in the office cubicle next to you will be you on the sun-drenched beaches of Hawaii or the snow-covered mountains, just by starting. Oh, and that great feeling of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness? Did we mention wealth creation? Yeah, we did earlier. And what could make this view of life any better? Do you want to be a part of something big coming out right now? Don't wait! Get your first mover's advantage. Put your hand on the hottest cutting-edge, patent-protected, futuristic technology that will give you a clear view into your health with a score that will change the world. Get this. Knowing and improving your antioxidant score is what it's all about. No more prodding and cutting. No more waiting for results. The antioxidant level in your body is the only number people will be demanding. So help improve the lives of friends, family, and even Uncle Charlie. Yeah, give him a break. All you need is one finger and one score at a time. And with products filled with the full benefits of antioxidants, we're so confident we'll improve your score, we offer a money-back guarantee. Yes, you have nothing to lose. Get ready to ignite health scores, starting with 1 to everyone. Whoa, did you get a good view of this opportunity? If you did, get with the person who showed you this video as fast as you can. They are living their dream and want to help you reach yours. How is the view of your new healthy life and opportunity of a lifetime?